Hey everyone, Decathlon has added another electric bike to their lineup of functional bikes. One feature that sets the Decathlon BTWIN E-Fold 900 electric folding bike apart is its 1-second folding and unfolding time. For urban commuters who need to transition between riding and transporting their bike fast and effectively, this feature makes it incredibly useful. The BTWIN E-Fold 900 comes in an abyss gray color option and weighs 19 kilos. Its quick folding mechanism and small size make it the perfect option for people who commute in cities or have limited storage space. The Decathlon BTWIN E-Fold 900 boasts 20-inch wheels fitted with Schwalbe Big Apple tires, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The bike is available in a single-size option that accommodates riders ranging from 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, ensuring versatility across a wide range of user heights. The Decathlon BTWIN E-Fold 900 is equipped with a brushless 250 watts electric motor mounted on the rear wheel. This motor delivers a maximum torque of 35 Newton meters and allows the bike to reach a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Riders can choose from 3 speed modes to match their riding conditions, as well as a walking mode that propels the bike at a steady 4 kilometers per hour for easier maneuvering when not riding. The bike's power comes from a 252 watt-hours battery, which provides an assistance range of up to 55 kilometers on a single charge. This battery is designed to maintain its maximum capacity for up to 500 charging cycles, ensuring long-term usability and reliability. The BTWIN E-Fold 900 features a 7-speed Shimano Tourney drivetrain, offering smooth and reliable gear changes for a variety of terrains. For stopping power, the bike is equipped with Tektro T275 hydraulic disc brakes, providing strong and consistent braking performance in different weather conditions. The compact design of the BTWIN E-Fold 900 makes it a practical choice for city dwellers and those with limited storage space. Its quick folding mechanism allows users to fold or unfold the bike in just 1 second, making it ideal for commuting, especially when combined with public transportation. Several European nations, including the Netherlands, France, Italy, Spain, and the UK, sell the Decathlon BTWIN E-Fold 900. It is a reasonably priced choice in the electric folding bike industry, with a starting price of €1,699. All things considered, the Decathlon BTWIN E-Fold 900 blends practicality, ease of use, and dependable performance, rendering it an invaluable supplement to Decathlon's expanding selection of electric bicycles. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.